How can you prevent a judge from getting upset with you and berating you in front of a jury? Hi everybody, my name is Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. I've been doing this for over 33 years. During that time, I've represented thousands of people, helping them get the justice and compensation that they deserve. I've also tried many medical malpractice cases, and I want to share these tips with you because I've been where you've been. I've gone into a trial where I didn't know the judge. I didn't take the time to ask the judge or the judge's clerk how the judge likes to run his or her courtroom. Every judge is different. Every judge has their own customs, and you have to be aware of what each judge's customs are before you walk into that courtroom. Let me give you a few examples. Number one, does a judge allow you just to roam around the court without asking permission? This is not your courtroom, it's the judge's courtroom, and you just can't walk wherever you want. So for example, if you want to approach a witness, is a judge going to allow you the leeway just to do that? Or is the judge going to require you to ask permission? You need to know that well in advance. You don't want to be walking up to a witness and have a judge say to you, "Counselor, you need to ask permission before you do that." Why? Because the jury is going to think that you are not professional, that you don't have respect for the court. The jurors are looking to see who they can trust, and the person they trust right away is the judge. And if you are doing something to offend the judge, or they think you're not acting in a professional way, they're going to have a negative opinion of you. Number two, ask the judge or the judge's clerk how the judge likes to handle objections. Does the judge want you to speak from where you're standing and to give the reasons for the objection? Or does the judge prefer to bring counsel up at a sidebar out of the presence of the jury? Again, you don't want to start speaking if a judge doesn't want to hear from you in front of a jury. You don't want a judge getting upset with you. Again, if the judge has to berate you in front of the jury, it's going to look like you're unprofessional. It's also going to look like you don't know what you're doing. So that's number two. The last thing that I'm going to share with you is court breaks. When does the court like to take a break for lunch and how long? You don't want to be in the middle of a witness when the judge wants to take a break and not be able to have the witness finished, or to say to the judge, could we just have a few more minutes to finish the witness? It's not your courtroom. You have to make sure that you manage the time, and you need to know when the court is going to break. You also don't want to be the lawyer that stands between the jury and lunch, because they will hold it against you. So by doing these quick, easy things, by just asking how the judge likes to run the courtroom, can prevent a lot of stress on you. Trials are stressful enough, and if you can do things to prevent extra stress on you, it's going to go a long way to make your trial go much more smoothly. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.